Choose an open, unobstructed environment to fly. Remove the propeller holder and gimbal protector. Unfold the aircraft arms and turn. Make sure that a microSD card has been inserted and the propellers and battery are securely installed. Place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you. During takeoff, toggle the flight mode switch of the remote controller to N mode. Launch DJI Fly, open System Settings and tap Safety. Set the RTH height higher than the tallest building or nearby object, and set the obstacle avoidance action to bypass or brake. Make sure that the GNSS status icon is white and the DJI Fly app issues a voice prompt, Home Point Updated. Tap the takeoff icon on the left, and press and hold the prompt icon to enable auto takeoff. After takeoff, the icon on the left will change to landing. Tap the landing icon and press and hold the prompt to make the aircraft land automatically. Take Mode 2 as an example. To take off manually, pull both control sticks all the way down and then push them inwards or outwards. When the propeller starts spinning, gently push the left control stick up to manually take off. The left control stick is used for adjusting the aircraft altitude and orientation. The right control stick allows the aircraft to move forward, backward, and to the left and right. After you start the motors, if the aircraft has not taken off, pull down the left control stick to stop the motors. If the aircraft has taken off, pull down the left stick to land. Press the flight pause button on the remote controller once to make the aircraft brake and hover. You can view the flight distance and speed in the bottom left corner of the app. Keep the remote controller antennas facing the aircraft during flight for optimal transmission. When the GNSS signal is weak, the compass encounters interference, or the environment lighting is not adequate, the aircraft will enter attitude mode and cannot hover or auto brake. To avoid accidents, please land in a safe location as soon as possible. Locate the focus shutter button on the top right corner of the remote controller. Press halfway to activate autofocus, and press all the way down once to take a photo. The record button is located in the top left corner of the remote controller. Press to start recording and press again to stop. The dial on the left side controls the gimbal tilt. Use the dial on the right side to adjust the camera zoom.